In this video, we will introduce you to 10 beautiful and lesser-known destinations around the world. But we won't just present them, we will also tell you the best time to visit each place so that when you decide to travel, you'll know exactly which season is most suitable and can plan accordingly. We'll start from number 10 and move up to number 1, which is the most unique destination on this list. Stay with us until the end, and if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. Number 10. Faroe Islands, Denmark. The Faroe Islands are an untouched archipelago located between Norway and Iceland, featuring towering cliffs, roaring waterfalls, and green-roofed villages that make the region a paradise for nature lovers. Seabirds, especially puffins, migrate to the area during summer. The dramatic landscapes and misty weather add a unique atmosphere to the journey. Access to the islands is possible by flight or ferry from Denmark. The best time to visit the Faroe Islands is from May to August. During these months, the days are longer, the weather is milder, and there's a great chance to spot birds like puffins. Winter is cold and dark, but it offers a captivating opportunity to witness the northern lights. Number 9. Baku, Azerbaijan. Combining modern and historic architecture, Baku is one of the lesser-known cities in the Caucasus. The Flame Towers, the old city of Yakushima, and the Caspian Sea coast are its main attractions. Baku has developed rapidly in recent years but remains away from Western tourist crowds. Local dishes like pilaf and dolma add a delicious touch to the trip. The best time to visit Baku is April to June and September to October. These months have mild weather, perfect for exploring the city and the Caspian coast. Summer is hot and winter is colder. Number 8. Ksamil, Albania. In southern Albania, the coastal village of Ksamil, with turquoise waters and small surrounding islands, is known as the Mediterranean's secret. Unlike the crowded beaches of Greece and Italy, this area remains calm and quiet. You can take boats to nearby islands or swim in shallow waters. Fresh seafood and affordable prices make it a delightful experience for visitors. The best time to visit Ksamil is May to September. Summer is lively and crowded, but May and September are quieter, while still great for swimming and leisure. Number 7. Hidden Tuscany, Italy. Villages like Partigliano and Serrano are built into cliffs and feature medieval architecture. Narrow streets, stone houses, and natural scenery give the feeling of traveling back in time. Local food and regional wines add to the charm of visiting these areas. They remain away from tourist crowds. The best time to visit Tuscany is April, May, June, September, and October. These months offer mild weather and villages and vineyards at their best. Summer is very hot and crowded. Number 6. Drakensberg National Park, South Africa. This park, with tall mountains, deep valleys, and ancient rock paintings, is one of Africa's natural wonders. Hiking trails, high waterfalls, and wide landscapes attract adventurous travelers. Bushman paintings, thousands of years old, can be seen in caves. Located on the border with Lesotho, it is perfect for nature trips. The best time to visit Drakensberg is March, October, and November. These months have mild weather suitable for hiking. Winter is dry and colder, while summer is hot and rainy. Number 5. Symi, Greece. Symi Island, with neoclassical architecture and a beautiful harbour, is one of Greece's most charming spots. Colourful houses and cobblestone streets create a peaceful atmosphere. Unlike Santorini, Symi is quieter and more cultural. You can reach it by ferry from Rhodes and enjoy the harbour views. The island is ideal for calm and cultural trips. The best time to visit Symi is spring, March to May, and autumn, October to December. Summer is very hot and crowded, but these seasons offer great weather and tranquility. Number 4. Wadi Rum, Jordan. Wadi Rum, with its red desert landscapes and massive rock formations, is one of the Middle East's natural wonders. Known as the Valley of the Moon, it has been featured in famous films like Lawrence of Arabia and The Martian. Visitors can explore by jeep safari or camel rides and spend the night in Bedouin camps. The night sky in Wadi Rum is one of the best places in the world for stargazing. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The best time to visit Wadi Rum is spring, March to May, and autumn, September to November. These seasons have mild weather and are perfect for daytime exploration. Summer is very hot, and winter nights are cold. Number 3. Azores Islands, Portugal. In the Atlantic Ocean, the Azores are volcanic islands with turquoise lakes and mountain scenery, making them one of Europe's hidden gems. With mild weather and diverse vegetation, they are ideal for nature lovers and photographers. Popular activities include hiking mountain trails, visiting volcanic craters, and whale watching. The Azores are still less known compared to destinations like Lisbon or Porto. The best time to visit is between May and September. Summer offers great conditions for swimming and whale watching, but for fewer crowds, May or September are better. Number 2. Yakushima Island, Japan. Yakushima's rainforests, ancient trees, and hiking trails make it unique. The island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and inspired the anime Princess Mononoke. Heavy rainfall keeps the nature lush and green year-round. Tall waterfalls and rich wildlife are highlights of the area. Access is possible by ferry or flight from Kagoshima. The best time to visit Yakushima is February to May and also November and December. These months have less rainfall and milder weather, while June is the rainiest month of the year. Number 1. Giethoorn, Netherlands. Giethoorn, known as the Venice of the North, has canals instead of streets. Traditional houses with thatched roofs and wooden bridges create a charming atmosphere. Touring the village is done with silent boats, and the sound of nature dominates. Located in the province of Overijssel, it is perfect for family or romantic trips. The best time to visit Giethoorn is between May and June and also early autumn. During this period, the weather is mild and the village less crowded, unlike summer when it gets very busy. These were 10 lesser-known destinations that are truly worth visiting for their beauty and charm. Now that you also know the best time to travel to each one, you can plan your trips more precisely. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel so we can continue exploring unique and hidden places together.